Hello friends, welcome to another analysis video on the gold and GJ. And in this video, I would like to analyze gold and GJ for the intraday and scalping setup. Basically, what I'm looking for, on gold and the GJ chart. So, let's start with the gold and let's hide these VWAP and pivot lines. So let's do a little bit of a top-down analysis on the gold first. So as we can see on the gold that we can see that the current daily candle we are already rejecting, and if you look on the left hand side we can find out that we have a resistance, and we are rejecting that resistance at the moment, right? So also we can see that we made this big move to the upside, so there may be a potential pullback to find some kind of support and continue going to the upside, right? Now let's go to 4-hour and see what is happening on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, the situation is also more or less like the same. As we can see, we made this big move to the upside, so price may continue going up, but at the same time we can come down for a potential pullback as well. Also, we saw in the daily time frame that we have a resistance, strong resistance on the left hand side. So let's go to a 30-minute time frame to find what is happening on the 30-minute time frame, right? So on the 30-minute time frame, we can see that we created a high. Now let's put our VWAP and pivots as well. So as we can see here, the price rejected this pivot line. Also on the daily time frame, we saw that we had a strong resistance on the daily on the left hand side, right? So now as we analyze already that there may be a potential pullback, right? There may be a potential pullback. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. So for the daily, for the intraday scalping and intraday setups as well, what I'm looking for at the moment is, so now we know that there is a potential pullback for this big move to the upside. So for that, if price can come up into this area, I don't want the price to break this high, but I want the price to give me some kind of double top. If we get a double top in an uptrend where we should be making higher highs and higher lows, and now we don't make higher highs and higher lows, but we make a double top, it means the price doesn't want to go down, and there may be a potential for the price to go down. In that situation, once we get some kind of double top, I'll be looking for some kind of trading opportunity to sell gold in order to target this pivot line that is a potential like a support. So that will be something to the for selling. And for buying, I want the price to give me a pullback to this area, and around this pivot line, if we find some kind of support, then I'll be looking to take a long trade in order to target this previous high or this pivot, because we are bullish. As we saw on the higher time frame, we are already bullish, so price can continue going up anytime, right? But that is something about gold. Now let's so these are the two scenarios that I'm looking for on the gold at the moment. If anything else develop, then I would share that in my free Telegram channel, right? So now let's go to GJ, and let's see what is happening on the GJ. On the GJ as well, let's try to go to the daily first, and let's start with the daily. So on the GJ, we can see that the price coming down on the daily. So we can see that the price was going up. We got this bearish candle closure on the daily, means we got the resistance, right? And since then, the yesterday candle also closed like bearish, and today candle like still in progress. So as per the price action, it seems like we have a clean range on the left hand side, so price may continue going down, right, as per the price action. So now let's go to 4-hour time frame to find what is happening on the 4-hour time frame, right? On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that basically, if we start from the top, we can see that we created low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high. Then we had this strong support. Price broke this strong support and now already retested that area. So in by looking at the 4-hour time frame, it seems like the price should continue going down, and the next support is right into these areas. So like from the 4-hour, it seems like the price should be going down, right? Now let's go to 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, now let's put our VWAP and pivot as well. So On the 30-minute as well, we can see that the price look bearish as we are making lower lows and lower highs, right? So price is kind of going down. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame and see what kind of trading opportunity we can look for now. So as we can see here on the 15-minute, we can see that okay, we created a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and here we kind of broke this previous high, created a high. Now at this area, we already, it is a kind of pullback, and also we have the VWAP and pivot at this area. So if we find some kind of a bullish price action here, so we can look for a long opportunity, although that will be a counter trend trade, because as I mentioned, from the higher time frame, the price is looking to go down. But here, why I'm looking for longer opportunity, long opportunity, because it seems like a clean range on the left hand side. Also we have a support given by the VWAP and the pivot. Also we made this move, also like we broke the previous high on the 15-minute time frame, but it will be a counter trend trade, so we will manage it aggressively. For the short, at the moment I don't see anything at the moment, but if I find any selling opportunity on the GJ during the day, then I will share that in my Telegram channel. So that is something I see on the GJ at the moment. Now let's also try to see if we can find something on the NAS100 as well, although I don't trade NAS100. Let's see. On the daily, we can see that the last candle we created a support. The last candle close bullish, but we close right into these resistances, right? So if we get a candle close above this resistance, then there will be a higher probability for the price to fill this wick. But right now, price can do anything. We close yesterday, candle closed bullish right into these resistances. Now let's go to lower time frames, right? Let's go to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, we can find that we have the support again. Price made this big move to the upside, and right now again we are into this resistance area. So we haven't closed above this resistance area. Price may, if we get a bearish candle closure in this area, so price may still come down. Let's go to 30-minute time frame here. Let's put our VWAP and pivot things. So like on the 30-minute chart, again, as we already saw that we are right into these resistance area. Last time we came here, found resistance, 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 right? We are in the same area. So it would be great if we can find some kind of pullback, right? So like let's go to 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute, like for the long opportunity, what I want to see, price to come down into around this pivot line, right? And at that time, if the price is above the VWAP, I'll be looking to take long in order to target this previous high and this pivot line. So that will be something for the long I see. And for the short, like I don't see anything at the moment, but if I see any trading setup, I might share that in my free Telegram channel. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis for today on the gold, GJ, and NAS100, for the intraday and the scalping setup for today. Thank you very much. See you in another video.